Welcome back to the channel, good friends. I have my trusty furry sidekick back to work on the Infiniti X80. We have to prep the back bumper, which we have primed, and get the paint booth up, put that inside, paint it, swap it out on the X80, and the only thing we have left to do before inspection, trying to get the salvage title to a reconstruction title, is to work on the back driver's side door. Just a little bit of an area we need to do some body work down below, and it's soon ready. So we are in the finishing stages of the X80. Let's get this prepped, get the booth up, get it in the booth, and get it sprayed. Look out. Watch it. Look out. Over here. Bumper is sanded, cleaned. Let's get the paint booth up and running and get this inside. I like to lay out these mats so I can keep the floor of the tent clean. I also mist the tent down with water, so that keeps dust and debris from stirring up into the air while I walk around. Okay, so we don't just want to throw this thing in here, we want to set it up right. So the airflow is coming from the back of the tent, going out the front. You want to paint with the airflow, meaning you want to paint as close to the airflow as you can, and work yourself away, so we need to spin this around. And then we'll start the painting here, continue on that way. There we go. I know I mentioned before I have a gun primarily for primer, and I also have a gun that is primarily for base coat, clear coat. So we have the Limco Hermosa Blue Pearl, which is the color of the QX80. Gorgeous color, metallic, 4:1 ratio. I'm going to get it mixed up in a cup. The base coat first, then the clear coat. Let's get to it. As I mentioned, I like to mist the floors and the walls, and that keeps a bit of control, not complete, but a little bit of control over airborne dust. Mist everything down except for the filters. You don't want to get them wet. This thing to get it in here, so I want to clean it again. I use a prep. There are many ways to clean the panel. Make sure there are no hairs, fibers, dust particles, oils from me touching it, handling it, bringing it in here. Shop manager wants to come in here so bad. No, can't come in here. Poor girl. All right, now we're ready. I had to bring the camera out here and the setup. Way too much overspray would have got on my equipment, so I put you up against the wall over there to see the layer of clear coat. I have one more layer of clear coat, and then we're going to let it dry. We'll have to do some wet sanding and polishing because my setup isn't perfect. I'm still learning the Black Widow gun. For less air pressure with that gun, you want to have less product and a little bit more air to atomize the paint and the clear coat a little bit more for a nice mirror-like finish. I'm learning that, so I'm going to have some wet sanding to do on this one yet, and we'll pull it out here and do that. Then we'll bring the X80 in here, take off the old bumper, put all the trim pieces on the new bumper when it's dry, get that up and bolted on, and we are ready to go on to the next project. Okay, so we have the bumper out drying. Shop manager, she's watching other YouTube videos. We're going to get the damaged bumper off of here and get everything ready so when that's dry, we can transfer the trim, the lights, the sensors, everything else onto that bumper, get it on there, and then I can wet sand and cut it, because then it'll be firmly in place that it won't move while I'm doing the cut and polish. So let's get to it. All right, there we go. Not very difficult at all. All we have to do is wait for that bumper to dry, get the sensors, the trim, the lights. There's a wiring harness inside, right inside the lip here. Get that off and get that transferred. We're going to let that dry for 48 hours, and then it's time to get it on and secure it. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. We can't go any further until that bumper dries. So, Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning, thank you for hanging with me, keeping me company and the shop manager throughout the process, and we'll catch you in the next video.